Ka Joint Action Committee jong ki artli ki kinhon Tritrong. Kablatip ka is Jaintia Hills Trucks Owners and Association. Lembar ka Jaintia Hills Truck Owners and Association haka pratarik ujamang. Kilalay banyakandu ya umentri jong ka transport jong ka Jylla uba Sngi Bhalang Dhar. Halor ka Jingdawa jong ki banma bikikot kisla ki balayam. Habakran kilat pathai Khubor. Hadian ka Jingi Kendo ban umentri uba samyo sayo. Unong ay ktien ka GAC uloong wa ka Jingi Kendo jongki kalong ka pasngautan ha ka ba nakalyang umentri ula pentip shaki baha kini ki kindiat sngi kata ha ka shpola ni khatsan sngi kinsayo ya ka Khubor babha banyarap yaki ha ka ba yare ki kot kali ki ba day tang jong ka Jylla.
It's a great moment. It's a happy moment for us. Kadiga singa ban sakan mau. Namar ba we have been dealing with several types of department, but the only department kaba ya step hagaban rekam kadiga department joma snyabha kadiga transport department. Kumbing la in Khubor he is there for us. And yaga ban kermai pi 2 months back or ban February la one ban kerpad in hagaban ta ka concession ban wave yaki tax yaki kot kali balaya. Daga kamat pu samar khiem ta kasi daga jingmen daga jing so hun kaman sim by minister badam rom jungi ila ong but soon you'll be getting a good news within 10-15 days ila persang but in sale yong ru ba with the help of this present NDA government he will be wiping a tax to the max ya kaba ila kaba de kapat jong state ya ka central kumgi revenue kaba revenue ya ka state he will try to wipe it off to the maximum point and to the maximum lowest price. Kadang Khubor Kaba Bha namata jungi kibu kali boro. Namar bana ki Porsche ki por. Don't give a fail ki kisti, don't give a fail ki a. Ni hapsi double. Ye ki bai luksan. Tama banta. Lamba kani ki cingirap ka scheme ki one time settlement by minister badam brom jungi. Pat kani ka sorkar bamanta. Kani rap yangi. Sab ba kham buktam bangin la ban patalun ki kam ki jam jungi. Da kala imbiang ki kot kali jungi. So we are expecting a very good news soon within 10-15 days. Katkum gujing kular jungi, minister badam rom jungi. And ira sungu hadu kata ya minister jungi. Bila asyum kya kan kam tang hapo arbnai quick action rapid force kamo om sumo hakapor kaba khandia de ila pantri ila phak budin barkala long haka step kabangan so ngin thai yo so jang jingjok within short span of time.
Kan no
Percentage we cannot disclose at the moment. Namar minister jungi la kular ba ila ong ngadeu khpa nganam sathu ilagi khon and he will try to wave it off to the maximum. Percentage we cannot communicate, but soon, hope so, I'll meet you people, we'll meet again. Begin Ejhto&A ka percentage hadu kano. And we are expecting komo I ong hi daladi dala system gi khon de mangi khpa ban pe. To mono hu khpa ban ai lat gi khon ban system. So khpa hi un sapai masnya hu badon rom jingi mon de klawai mono shnong mo de uba tap chandrang mo ktien panarmo wa mi ban site ne mata jingi. So we have entitled full trust on him and we are expecting that kumai sai long Khubor pemanswa in mi ida result ko bha ka basu hun hi ban ya thapti in la poi ban pas na ka cabinet chuki
la ju pla kam do nong state na da
em kam dang jing dung nong number ba a very simple methodology suppose na la don ki tokali ki ka kali bom seo ki san suppose nim ka state ka la du nong pa totally but if they give some concession it will be the income for the state it will never be a loss namar mata suppose the p ingin ino krim siyo ikot kali kadika total loss to the government. But if they give us some settlement, we are ready to pay and they are getting the income and we are happy, they are happy and plus it will be a big contribution for us. Namar ba pila kan mau hitrai ki por muswa por covid ikali kila suyeng ikram la man siyo ki boro that through his ideas, through his thoughts, through his way of walking minister badam rojungi usapek yang berangkam and we are expecting very soon that the news
kadang nam kajing checking kali bom siu ko kisla kisna dari kepala siu kamiat ko ke portal
see there is things mangin ya ban ong suong ba the government what is the government this is it's in a simple term it is by the people for the people of the people so by the people mangi basna government so the government ka habs ngap yangi of the people nagabanta jungi higin trai so we expect but ndala poi kan ka scheme the one time settlement ngim de ban pe kata ka jing do nong ka jing do nong jong ka state and jong urius me jungi we are expecting that a good collaboration and a good working principle with a smooth way of working happening jungi ba ka sorkar kin rai nagabanta ka jing ha jong paidbah wal babon ba yai
ktien juhi.
Keteng juga ada Somio SNS ayo, ada spokesperson juga East Jaintia Truck Owner Transporter Association. But at the moment, I am the GAC spokesperson jeng both artillery sendiri.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.